Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, yeah. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. On this one, we got Tom here. He's brought his R34 down, this weapon of a car. And we're going to be fixing a few things. What are we doing, Tom?
So we've got a new clutch master and clutch slave to go on the car. I was out at the track on Saturday and was having some clutch engagement problems, and we figured out that either the clutch slave or master has chewed out the internals. So got new parts, going to just replace the lot and just be done with it, and at least get it all bled up and probably done the first time, which I should have done, but I got lazy last time. So all new parts over there somewhere. All
sounds like I keep saying this, but it sounds like something a mechanic would do, like buy all new parts. Like, I
was so bad for it. Like,
it's actually smart though.
It is. It's expensive, but I've always liked to do it once.
Yeah.
Do it right.
Nah, that's it's definitely a good thing to do. Do it once, do it right. Yeah. Because then it ends up costing you more money anyway if you do it dodgy like me.
I tried to do it dodgy and it's come to bite me. Yeah. So when I swapped everything from my sedan into this, we had actually pulled the whole master line and slave out and had it laying on the ground. Yeah. And usually, common rule of thumb, as long as you don't disconnect anything and no brake fluid leaks out, it can't get any air into the system. Yeah. But because we had it laying down flat, the fluid was flat across it and there's a little air pocket. So as I put it back up, it's just had all this air in it. Yeah, right. Being 3 o'clock in the morning and us just being lazy, we're like, oh, we'll just leave it and blade it up next time. I think it was like 3 months. Oh, shit. Or 2 months or something. And when I finally looked at it, it wouldn't bleed, and then I saw the metal shavings sitting in the fluid. So
yeah, metal shaving in your fluid's not good. Metal shavings anywhere is not really a good thing.
Definitely not.
It's not ideal.
So yeah, I've got some new bits there. Going to pull the old stuff off, bench bleed all the new stuff.
Yeah, sick.
And we'll chuck all that stuff on.
Let's have a look at his new bits. Look at that, brand new.
Brand spanker.
Oh, that's nice. My hands are dirty, by the way. Oh.
That one even says Japan.
Even says Japan. Nice. Big spender.
Extra points there.
No worries at all. Extra points.
Yeah, extra points for Japanese quality parts.
Yeah, sweet. So we're just going to get this little issue fixed on the 34 and get back out there and do some more destroying on the track, eh?
Win some more races.
Win some more races. If you haven't seen Tom's latest video, he went out to QR and was doing some roll racing for the downshift event. So go check that video now if you haven't seen already. It's pretty cool. And yeah, let's go. If you didn't know, Tom's actually a mechanic, and that's why he's able to get into these positions comfortably.
Part of the trade, mate.
It's part of the trade.
Got to be able to do it.
You got to be a contortionist.
I mean, I wouldn't say it's comfortable, but I'm down here, so that's cool.
I just have memories of doing that when I was on my P's, like for every sound system. Every car I had, I did a sound system in it, and you'd just be under the dash like that.
Oh, mate, it's the place to be.
It's
Where
really.
else would you want to be?
It's really not the place to be. Alright, Tom's been flat out. He's pulled out both of them, emptied out the old crap. It was all black and yucky brake fluid in there, and now just about to. Yeah, got the freshie.
So you've got to fill up the reservoir, and then I'll push that in, and then it should suck it through and pump it out the bottom, and then there'll be no air in it. So we'll
ideally,
this one. Yeah, ideally.
Ideally, it's just one of those things where it can be like really easy or really shit, eh?
Usually,
brand new, surely. If it's brand new, surely it's going to be mint.
So I'm going to grab that camera as well, Ash.
Pump it.
Here and the best there.
So we bench bled the whole system so that it should be easier when we put it in, eh? Or when you put it in.
The master's been all bled up. So in theory, connect all this up and be able to get you to jump in the car and pump some fluid through, and you should get a clutch pedal almost straight away. compared
nice.
to the usual kind of pump away for half an hour and still have nothing.
Yeah. Well, I'm definitely keen to jump in the seat and just sit down for a bit, because I've been working pretty hard on this. Like,
Yeah,
getting my hands all filthy with all the brake fluid and stuff.
You deserve a break.
Yeah. I haven't done a single thing. I've just been sitting around.
You've done the most important thing, mate. You're giving me the space to actually do it.
Oh yeah. It's all good. Holy shit. We're flying. Alright, so my job is just to sit up here and relax, and then when I get the call, pump the clutch a few times, and that will push all the air through the line, and then Tom will be underneath and he'll crack the nipple, the air will come out and he'll tighten it again, pump it a couple of times, hopefully he'll get it in a couple of goes and we'll be all nice and bled and have a tight clutch again. And hopefully it doesn't engage that tiny bit what it was doing before and stuffing everything up, and then he can get it going and get it all nice again. Alright, so I'll just sit here and wait. So Tom and Ashley have been bloody humping, slaving away, while I've been up in the house just chilling, like having dinner. You guys must be starving. No?
Not too bad.
Oh, true.
Pretty good, mate.
Oh, true.
That new diet.
Yeah? How's it going? Good.
Not really, mate.
Oh, sweet. Nice, so you got it all sorted now, it's nice and tight?
Feels great. Have a feel.
Alright,
Feels
have
good.
a feel.
Now,
Have a
compared to
feel.
what you would have felt before,
Yeah.
feels like $1 million. It almost feels brand new.
Oh, that's tight.
Tight as we get.
It's pretty tight.
A bit squeaky, but
Oh, yeah, that's because of all that tightness.
okay.
Oh, nice. Smashed it out.
Yeah.
Cool.
Good.
Well, that's done.
Another thing to tick off the list of things I've been meaning to get done for a while that have never got done. I think
Yeah.
it's just a mechanic thing.
Yeah, nah, that's a car thing. You just do it when it breaks, or when it stops working.
Oh, here we are.
Yeah, here we are.
Hopefully I don't have to touch that for a while.
Yeah, so,
That's what I said last time when I put in the brand new bits.
yeah,
Done properly this time. I didn't rush it like I always do, so
sweet.
happy days.
Looks pretty nice in there.
Yeah, brand new goodies.
Brand new, it's glowing.
Thanks for the use of your shed.
Nah, that's all good. All good. No worries at all. We'll get the 180 back in here and do some illegal mods on it. Nah.
Poisonous gases and shit.
Yeah. Sweet as, that's pretty much a wrap here. Hope you enjoyed the episode working on the R34. I didn't do much. Tom was pretty much the one doing everything and Ashley was giving him a hand. So if you want to see out like a bit more behind the scenes of like what actually went down, go check out Tom's video. That'll be up, I don't know. So go check out his video.
Anywhere from like 1 day to 1 week.
Yeah.
1 month. I'm not doing too well at the moment. But it'll be up eventually, so.
Yeah, sweet. So yeah, go check out his channel for that, and make sure you hit subscribe on his channel. He's always got some cool videos up. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. That sounded like a horse racer.